ko si Maria Albert F. Mariquet. Teacher sa Zapatera Integrated SPED School. Teaching really, sir, is my passion. Teaching mga good, sir, is a mission. So, kung mission siya, therefore, daghang pagmatabangan na tao. As you can see, blind man ko. Ay bagay akong work kasi makatabang man ko, sir, sa mga pareha pa ako. I'm proud to say, daghan na sa ko natabangan ng mga students before na karon nahimo na po silang professional. Being a blind, sir, is dili siya hindrance para sa success. Mao na akong motto in life, sir. Dili na siya hindrance to success. Teaching, sir, is a noble profession, teacher, sir. Okay, I would like to say happy Teachers Month to all the teachers in the world.